Good morning, Mrs. K here. Today is May -1/2 times -12, which is May 6th. It's also School Nurses Day. So if you know a school nurse, tell them thanks today. And it's Bike to School Day. I guess you could bike around the block, end up back at your house, but one day we'll be biking to school again next year for sure. All right, to go over today's lesson. So remember, our learning target for this week is understanding how to solve equations. Okay, we worked on solving equations a couple months ago, so this is all review. So far, you've done a Edpuzzle. Yesterday or Tuesday, you did a Go Formative. Today, you're going to do an Edulastic. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit what that looks like. So first it says match. Select the tape diagram and equation that matches the story by entering the letter that matches by each question number. Then you'll describe the quantity X represents by selecting the correct choice. Finally, solve the equation by selecting the correct solution. Okay, so as you'll go through this, so like for this one, you would pick which tape diagram and which equation. So you can see A, B, and C are all tape diagrams, and D, E, and F are all equations. So you would pick one from A, B, or C, and one from D, E, or F. Okay, so you're going to do that for 1, 2, and 3. When you get to 4, you'll have to remember which one tape diagram A went with, and then you're going to describe what X represents, meaning what is X in the story? What are we talking about? So if X went with this first story here about Diego, you would write in the box what it represents. Does it represent the ounces of juice? Does it represent his 3 friends? Does it represent the amount that he has left over? Okay, so for 4, 5, and 6, you have to relate back to the story to write what X represents. Then for 7, 8, and 9, you're actually going to be solving for X. So you'll use this little typewriter thing or calculator thing right here to type in what X actually equals by solving the problem. Okay, so you do that for 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and then you do the same thing again. There's a 10 and 11, so 2 new stories, an A and a B for a tape diagram, and a C and a D for an equation. Okay, so you just keep moving through, matching those, describing what X represents, meaning what it is in the story, and then solving for X. Okay, looking at our choice activities for this month, this day, this week, you still have your Flipgrid. So if you haven't done that yet, you can go on and add your video. The Solve Me Mobiles, the Digi Puzzles, Khan Academy, the Brainy Puzzle, Solving Equations, Make 24, and then make sure you're answering today's reflection question, which is, do you enjoy using tape diagrams to help solve problems? So even explain to us, like, how do tape diagrams help you? Or do you not need tape diagrams? Are you doing fine without using the tape diagrams and just like to look at the equations? So we're almost done with this week. One more day tomorrow, and then we're 1 week closer to the end of remote learning and summer break. So keep up the good work. We look forward to seeing what you guys do today, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Have a good day.